Okay, let's talk more about our niche, how we can dig in a little deeper on our niche. If we go to google.com trends, let me copy this real quick and paste it into the search bar. We go to google.com trends. I'll put that back up here while it's loading so you can see it's google.com trends. If we'll go here and we can see what people are searching for. So in trends here, it's going to give us in-depth insights to what the global interest and all this is. You want to do some research and really research your niche and different things. So let's put in weight loss. It's always a hot topic for illustration. If we go into weight loss, it's going to come back and tell us what people are searching for in weight loss. And we're going to dig deeper into this when we go into offers. But for right now, I just want to show you an idea so that you can come in and you can see who's searching for it. See, these are the countries right here that are searching for weight loss. And we can see from the 100, and it gives us a list from the top to the bottom. And down here it tells us what they're searching for. Weight loss diet, best weight loss pills. Now, if we want to do long term, so when we set something up, we'll know what they're going to be searching for into the future. Click on rising. Extreme weight loss is going up 350%. Best weight loss is going up 200%. Okay, so we can pick out what we want to work with on weight loss as we see this here. Okay, now if we type in, say, credit. Let's type in credit. Credit's a good one that pays around $100. I like to use it a lot during the holiday seasons. Everybody's looking for a credit to buy holiday gifts. You know, so that's pretty cool. Just want to throw that little tip to you. Okay, so we can look here on the credit, the interest over time. Which countries are looking at credit, and what they're looking for here. If they're looking for just credit, Swiss Bank Direct, which ones they're looking for. And we can see different careers and Credit Suisse. And this just gives you a rough idea. So say if you were into pets, say dog supplies. We can do a Google Trends search on dog supplies. See if anybody's looking for dog supplies, pet supplies. It can be cats, dogs, horses. There's so many animals that people have as pets. And we can see it was up and it was going down. Now it looks like it's going back up again. And it's good for the United States. Let's see what they're doing here. Pet supplies. Okay, Pet Supplies Plus Corporation, Pet Supplies. So we can see online dog supplies is on breakout. This one here is 550%. So you can go through here and Google Trends and do a little research in your niche. If you have to, break it down. It won't work with long tail keywords, but it will work with short term like dog supplies and different things like that. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Let's move on.